Hello, people. It's your host, Eric Estrada, here with another episode of the Widow's Son Tattoo Review. And today, we're going and unboxing the E403 hammer from CNC. As soon as we take this bad boy out of the box, we get this nice carrying case in black with the CNC logo nice and bold in the front. You get dual zippers that are rubber coated with the CNC logo, little carrying handle. As soon as we open up the machine, on the top part we have the 403's instruction booklet right here. Always read it, and if you end up losing it, there's a QR code on the box that you could scan. And once you scan that QR code, you're able to print another booklet. As soon as we're open, we see the machine itself in gray with its braided USB-C cable, 2 batteries, and the machine. No RCA adapter. That's the one drawback of the machine. Okay, immediately, this is what the machine looks like. A little hammer, hence the name, the hammer. Okay, right on the bottom of the battery, you can see the USB-C port, the up and down, plus and minus for the voltage, and the power button. The machine is in gray, has this nice little C etched into the battery, and on the sides, these nice little grooves. Okay, it's made of aircraft aluminum, a grip of 33 millimeters, and it weighs somewhere around 209 grams. It has a full HD display, the outer ring displaying the battery life, the inner top displaying the voltage, the bottom one underneath it is the hertz, and very at the bottom, the timer. All right, it comes sporting dual 2000 mAh batteries that charge from 2 to 3 hours and give you 5 to 8 hours worth of battery life. They're retained by bearing. As we can see, this machine is adjustable from 4 to 12 volts. It comes with a coreless 9,800 RPM motor at a stroke of 4.0, and it's recommended for traditional American, traditional Japanese, color realism, black and gray shading, color packing, and like I said, it works great for bold lines. All right. We'll run this machine through its paces, and we want to thank CNC and the sponsor of the video, Ha Inc., and the Solon Group. All right. If you want a discount on any of these of their equipment, CNC or Ha Inc. or Solon, you could go to their pages and use my code Widow's Son, all capital letters. And that right there will give you a discount, and it'll give me a little bit of commission so that we could keep reviewing, unboxing, and doing the good stuff you like. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video to let you know how this bad boy ran.